Right now, somewhere in America, someone just opened their very first brokerage account. They transferred $100, hit the buy button for the first time, and became an investor. It took them 8 minutes. No financial degree, no prior experience, just a phone and a few minutes of their time. That is exactly what we are doing today on The Algorithm Investor. Week 2. Last week we covered what the stock market is and why every single person should care about it. This week we are going hands-on. By the end of this video you will know exactly how to open your first brokerage account, step by step, and what to do the moment it is open. Let us start with the most important question. Which broker should you use? There are dozens of brokerages out there. Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Webull, Robinhood, TD Ameritrade. The list goes on. For absolute beginners, the answer is simple. Fidelity or Charles Schwab. Both are completely free to open. Both charge 0 commissions on trades. Both have been around for decades and are rock solid. Robinhood is popular, but I want to be honest with you. It gamifies investing in a way that encourages trading rather than long-term wealth building. For a serious investor, it is not the best starting point. Webull is excellent for intermediate investors who want more analytical tools. We will revisit it in a later episode. For today, if you have never invested before, Fidelity is your answer. Write that down. Fidelity. Now here is what you need before you open your account. 3 things only. Number 1, your social security number. Every brokerage is legally required to verify your identity. Number 2, a government-issued ID, your driver's license or passport. You will photograph it or type in the details. Number 3, your bank account and routing number. You will find these on a check or in your online banking app under account details. That is it. 3 things. Social security number, ID, bank account details. Get those ready, and the whole process takes under 10 minutes. Step 1. Go to fidelity.com. Click Open an Account in the top right corner. You will be asked what type of account you want to open. Select Individual Brokerage Account. This is a standard taxable investment account that anyone can open. Do not select a retirement account yet. We will cover Roth IRAs and 401ks in a dedicated episode because they deserve their own full explanation. Start with the individual brokerage account. Step 2. Fill in your personal information. Name, address, date of birth, social security number. This takes about 3 minutes and is completely standard. You will also be asked about your employment status and annual income. Be honest, this information does not restrict what you can invest in. It is just regulatory compliance. You will also be asked about your investment experience. Select beginner or limited experience. Again, this does not restrict you. It just helps Fidelity tailor their resources to you. Step 3. Verify your identity. Upload a photo of your ID or type in the details. Fidelity processes this instantly in most cases. Step 4. Link your bank account. You will enter your bank routing number and account number. Fidelity will make 2 small test deposits, usually a few cents, to verify the account. This takes 1 to 2 business days. Some brokerages, including Fidelity, now allow instant verification through Plaid, a secure bank connection service. If that option appears, use it. It skips the 2-day waiting period entirely. Step 5. Fund your account. Transfer your first deposit. You do not need a large amount to start. Fidelity has no minimum deposit requirement. You can start with $50. You can start with $10. The amount matters far less than the act of starting. We proved that last week with the compound interest math. Starting at all is what matters most. Now here is a question I get asked constantly. What do I actually buy first? And the honest answer is, before you buy anything, sit with your account for 1 week. Explore the platform. Look at different investments. Get comfortable with the interface. Rushing to buy something in the first 5 minutes is how beginners make emotional decisions. Take 1 week to learn where everything is. When you are ready to make your first purchase, The single best starting investment for most beginners is a total market index fund. At Fidelity, the one to look for is FZROX, the Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund. Zero expense ratio, zero minimum investment. You can buy it for whatever amount you have available. Type FZROX into the search bar at the top of your Fidelity account. Click Trade. Select Buy. Enter the dollar amount you want to invest. Select Market Order. Click Preview Order. Then Place Order. That is it. You just bought a piece of the entire United States stock market. Over 3,000 companies. In one transaction. For zero fees. Now let us talk about something critical that most beginner investing videos skip completely. Account types matter enormously for your long-term wealth. The account you just opened is a standard taxable brokerage account. Any gains you make are subject to capital gains tax when you sell. That is fine for now. But it is not the most powerful tool available to you. The most powerful account available to most Americans is the Roth IRA. You contribute after-tax dollars. Your investments grow completely tax-free. And when you withdraw in retirement, you pay zero tax. Zero tax on potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars of growth. That is the most powerful legal wealth-building advantage available to ordinary people, and most people never use it. The 2026 contribution limit for a Roth IRA is $7,500 per year. If you can contribute even a portion of that consistently every year, the long-term impact is extraordinary. We will do a full dedicated episode on Roth IRAs, including exactly how to open one, contribution rules, and income limits. For now, just know it exists, and it should be your next account after this one. Before we wrap up, 3 mistakes every new investor makes that you should avoid from day one. Mistake 1. Checking your account every day. Your investments will go up and down constantly. Checking daily triggers emotional reactions that lead to bad decisions. Set it up. Check it monthly. That is it. Mistake 2. Waiting for the perfect time to invest. There is no perfect time. The market will always feel uncertain. People who wait for certainty never start. Time in the market beats timing the market. Always. Mistake 3. Investing money you cannot afford to leave invested for at least 3 to 5 years. Only invest money you genuinely do not need in the short term. Your emergency fund comes first. Always. If you do not have an emergency fund yet, 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Build that before you invest a single dollar. That is not pessimism. That is the foundation. Here is your action plan from today. Go to fidelity.com. Open your individual brokerage account. Transfer your first deposit, whatever amount you are comfortable with. Explore the platform for 1 week. Then search FZROX and make your first investment. That is the entire process. 8 minutes to open. 1 week to get comfortable. 1 transaction to become an investor. Next week, on the Algorithm Investor. Week 3. We are going deep on index funds versus picking individual stocks. The data will surprise you. Warren Buffett made a $1 million bet on this exact question, and we will tell you exactly what happened. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you do not miss it. Drop a comment below. Are you going to open your account this week? Yes or no? I read every single one. See you next week.